This is a video to demonstrate the new arrangement for the plantar modifiers. So to demonstrate this, we'll first create a prefab as something to use to apply the modifier. We don't need the toolbar. You go to the Plantar Modifiers menu. This is now changed and the various options are shown as tabs rather than as having everything on the one screen. If you pick each tab, you get a small image showing what the modifier does to the underside of the insole. If you choose one, such as a Y-rip, and you hit from 2D image, you now get a display of the profile that's applied to the underside of the insole. In this case, anything that's white is maximum height, anything that black is not modified, and any shade of grey in between is an intermediate elevation. We give you 3 shades of grey plus black and white. The way this would work is we could pick the middle grayscale. We have the ability to pick a line thickness, so we'll go with 4 pixels, and we can draw a line, and that is the basic drawing function. Because there are some imperfections at the top and bottom of the line, we can fix them with the point command. It can be improved for the future, but the basic functions exist. Once we've modified the shape, we can write an XYZ file to the 3D scanner directory. We can call this temp2, and we save that. We can now close that. To apply the modifier we've just created, we would now go to custom. We would look for it in the list of available options, and we find temp2. We can also change the physical height that gets applied, so we'll go down to 4 millimeters. We close that, and now when we export to STL, we can see the modified shape has been applied to the underside of the insole. All we did was to put a mid-grey, so we'll have a slight reduction down the vertical leg of the modifier. We'll just let that run through to completion, and then we'll have a closer look at what we've produced. And we can see that the underside now has 2 high points, whereas previously it was 1 wide high point. And that's the basic operation of the user definable plantar modifiers.